Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at the C-11 elevator contractor license exam questions. Toward which jamb does a single slide door close? The correct answer is C, strike. What is the maximum horizontal clearance on the rear of a new elevator car top without guardrails? The correct answer is D, 12 inches. What visual contrast between the comb and step is required on an escalator? The correct answer is C, color, pattern, or texture. So on the C-11 elevator contractor license exam in California, there's quite a bit of information that's going to be referenced on the exam. Obviously, planning and estimating conveyance projects, disassembly, electrical adjusting. You'll need to know about the different types of elevators, dumbwaiters, lifts, escalators, moving walks. There's quite a bit of information referenced on this exam. There's thousands of possible questions. A big portion of this test is going to be covering safety. You'll need to have your math skills in check because there's going to be a lot of math related questions also. 22% of the test is just going to be on safety. Another 11% covers planning and estimating, 5% covering project preparation, 22% covering installation and modernizing of elevators, dumbwaiters, and lifts, 5% covering installing and modernizing escalators and moving walks, and 35% covering conveyance, repair, maintenance, and service. So you really want to make sure that you are looking at the most accurate questions. You've got the most condensed information possible in a summarized Cliff Note format with the most specific information covered on the exam in a clearly written way with examples and descriptions. This is exactly what we've done with our course. We have physical study guides or ebooks. You get online practice tests, online lectures, mathematics reviews, and then we'll also make sure your application is reviewed before you send it off to the CSLB so it doesn't get rejected for mistakes. Just wanted to make this quick video covering the actual questions on the exam. We've got another video that goes a lot deeper into the C-11 exam license process, the law side, and then a lot more information covering the trade side. And then we've got another video that goes a lot deeper into the requirements so that you know exactly how to fill out your application correctly, how to fill out your certification and work experience correctly, and basically everything you need to know about getting licensed in California. So I strongly suggest that you watch those two videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, like and subscribe to the channel. This is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.